As a developer, you're building a feature, you say, hey, it can work in n of these configurations, and you built it, you moved on to the next interesting problem, picked the next problem, and you don't want to be constantly dragged down to your legacy of saying, oh, since you built this tool, you have to go reconfigure it for this other use case. You already built that functionality. There's no sense in getting the same developer to say, okay, now come back from whatever you're doing and redo whatever you did just by setting a configuration and testing it, right? And that is, it's so much more, streamlined to say, this is already built, this is available in this place. But if you have to build extra tooling for it, it slows the whole development process down. And that's where the low-code, no-code framework comes in to say, you don't need to build extra tooling on top of it. As part of what you built, you just have to plug it into this new framework, and anybody can come and tweak how it's configured and realize what our use case they want to. Right? And that's the true value that we see. In terms of letting the developer sort of move ahead without being tied back to what they built 1 year ago, 6 months ago, whatever the time frame was. Every time there's a change required. And 2, getting the client-facing teams to say, I can reconfigure this exactly the way the client wants and make them happier.